Hi children, good morning. I am going to teach you today class 8 computers. Subject computer, class 8. The lesson name is a network concept. Network क्या है? Please open the book, put on fingers. A network is a group of computers contact together to share the resources like file, printers, service and etc. A network contains users, also known as a client, running operating systems like Windows XP and store their file on a service. The several computers has many disk space and more processing power than client computers. Why we computers network? Computer networks क्यों जरूरी है? Computer networks help users on the computer on the networks to share the resource and in communication. Can you imagine a world now without emails, online newspapers, blogs, chat and the other service offered by the internet? Networks are built with a mix of computers, hardware and computer software. The following are the important benefits of a computer's network. Facility communication. People can communication efficiently and easily via emails, instance, messaging, chats rooms, telephones, telephone calls and video conferencing. Permit shares of files, data and other types of information. Authorized user may access data and information stored on others' computer on the network. Networking of computer helps the users to share data files. Application can be shared over the networking, and this allows implementing client service applications. Share network and computing resource. Each computers on a network may access and use resource provided by device on the networking shared device, such as printers, scanners, CD-ROM drive, hard drive, etc. Cost. Networking can reduce the cost of equipments of an organization through researching printers and other device. Printers will be installed on the systems and shared for their systems to send print from their other systems. Security. Network provides better service to access our important files and data. Some users can be decided to access the shared files folders and it can be shared from unauthorized access of files and folders through operating system security features. Advantage of a networking. Easy communications and speed. It is a very easy to communicate through a networking. People can communicate efficiently using a networking with a group of people. They can enjoy the benefits of emails, instant messaging, telephony, video conferencing, chat rooms, etc. Searching file data and informations. This is one of the most advantages of networking computers. People can file and share from and data because of networking. This is a benefit for large organizations to maintaining their data in an organized manner and facility access for disabled peoples. Sharing hardware. Another important advantage of networking is an ability to share hardware. For example, a printing can be shared among the users in a network so that there's no need to have individuals printing for each and every computers in the company. This will significantly reduce the cost of purchasing hardwares. Thank you.